Abuja is the capital and eighth most populous city of Nigeria. Located in the center of the country within the Federal Capital Territory, it is a planned city built mainly in the 1980s. It replaced Lagos, the country's most populous city, as the capital on 12 December 1991. Abuja's geography is defined by Aso Rock, a 400-meter monolith left by water erosion. The presidential complex, National Assembly, Supreme Court and much of the city extend to the south of the rock. Zuma Rock, a 792-meter monolith, lies just north of the city on the expressway to Kaduna. At the 2006 census, the city of Abuja had a population of 776,298, making it one of the 10 most populous cities in Nigeria. According to the United Nations, Abuja grew by 139.7% between 2000 and 2010, making it the fastest-growing city in the world. As of 2015, the city is experiencing an annual growth of at least 35%, retaining its position as the fastest-growing city on the African continent and one of the fastest-growing in the world. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.